Hello mommies, so welcome to the channel. In today's video you will come to know about the what is teething, when do babies start teething, sign and symptoms of teething, how to make the teething process smooth for the kid, treatment to avoid during teething, about the teething medicine, and last but not least, how to take care of baby's new teeth. And the fact that the parents must know about this teething. So let's talk about the teething. Teething is a process by which baby's teeth erupt or break through the gums. Teething generally occurs between 6 to 24 months. Sign and symptoms of teething: swollen, tender gums, fuzziness and crying, a slightly raised in the temperature but less than 101 Fahrenheit, want to chew hard things, lots of drool which can cause a rashes on their face, coughing, rubbing their cheek or pulling their ear, bringing their hand to the mouth, changing in eating and sleeping pattern. Teething can be painful but it does not make the baby sick. Call your doctor if your baby is experiencing cold, cough, diarrhea, rashes on the body, high in the temperature, vomiting, because this is not a normal sign of teething. You should also call your pediatrician if you are experiencing any bleeding from the gum or pus or swelling on their face. So let's talk about the order of tooth eruption. So basically the eruption of the tooth depends on a number of factors like family history. But in most of the time, the lower two teeth comes first, followed by the opposite top two teeth and two on the either side of those. So to be precise, most babies start teething between the age of 4 to 7 months. But there is no need to worry if your baby's teeth is coming in different timetable. Every baby is different in every way. But it comes before 10 months. So as a parents, what we can do from our side to make this teething process easier for the baby. So have a look on this. You may need to try different things to help your little one feel better. Like try to give something cold in your baby's mouth, like a cold pacifier, spoon, clean wet washcloths, or a solid refrigerated teething toy or ring. Many experts say that hard refrigerator items may create bleeding in the gums. So whenever you are giving, make sure it's little soft so that they can chew it. And make sure to clean the toy, washcloths and other items after the baby use them. If your baby is older than 6 to 9 months, then you can also give a cold water in the CP. Massage the gum by gently rubbing them with a clean finger if the teeth has not come yet. If you are a feeding mom, try to dip your finger in a cold water and give a massage before feeding each time. They may keep them from biting your nipple while nursing. And the most important is treatment to avoid during teething of the baby. Never put anything in your baby's mouth that is not specifically approved to help teething. Even some product described as teether or teething aids are not safe choice, which includes filled with liquid that can be tear or peel, make of breakable items like plastic that can possibly lead to choking, things that are frozen solid that can be too hard for the baby's mouth and cause bleeding from the gum. Teething necklace is commonly used by the parents, but it is not at all safe. The reason is child health expert does not recommend teething necklace. They are dangerous. They can struggle baby. They also can choke if the necklace break and they swallow a bit. If you do choose to use it, make sure to put it on a wrist or an ankle, not around a baby's neck. Always have a look on a baby when they wear it. Take it away from the baby if you are not watching them. even for a short period of time. There are many medicine for the teething. So let's talk about the teething medicine. Don't ever take a medicine for teething from over the counter. Medicine that you rub on baby's gum to stop the pain of teething may not help. It quickly wash away in the mouth and may numb the back of the throat and make it hard to swallow anything. Stay away from over-the-counter teething gel or liquid. It can cause a rare but a severe side effect. Consult your pediatrician if you are experiencing teething pain so much in children. Now let's talk about how to take care of baby's new teeth. Most important is good oral hygiene. Clean your baby's gum with a wet washcloth or a gauze at least once a day. Once they have a teeth, do clean their teeth after each time of feeding. It's the best one. After their first birthday, you can start to use a soft bristle toothbrush with water and a small amount of toothpaste which is fluoride free. I hope this video is helpful for all mommies. Don't forget to share this video with the mommies you know, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.